don't think that's gonna work. Okay, time to change the diaper. This might be a challenge.
There's a high hair go.
Can we change your diaper now?
Yes.
Yes? You think we can, Maddie? Okay, let's try turning her back over. Are you holding still for me?
Wait.
Are you gonna hold still for me?
Baby, the baby.
No.
Baby? I'm gonna go. Mew.
Kaylin, who else is in this room? Let's see. Is that JoJo? Is that Maddie? What's JoJo doing, Maddie? Yeah, you brought JoJo up to baby's room? Is JoJo saying hi to me?